Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna and it's giveaway day. Okay guys, first and foremost, let me thank everyone, every last one of you, for supporting my channel and participating and leaving me your wonderful comments and all of that, because it really does mean a lot to me. So with that being said, this is the video that you guys were supposed to come back and leave your words on. So a lot of you did, and y'all, some of you got most of the words, but there were a few of you that got all of the words. So thank you so much for watching, and let me copy the URL. Okay, here we go guys. There's the URL, YouTube comments, and it says 18 unique commenters, and they did filter duplicate users. So if you commented more than once, I'll still go back and verify your comment and make sure that the words are in there. So we're gonna start right here. Good luck everyone. I appreciate you all, I really do. And our winner is Nightingale. I think it says Nightingale. Nightingale 0515. It says, oh my gosh, amazing giveaway. Thank you for the opportunity. You definitely received some extra viewing time from me because I wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. The words I found are crafty, platform, happy, look, subbies, pink, chunky, ASC, love, Asia, G-Sun, and bonus. And I did have 12 words guys, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, and yes, all those words were in that video. Okay, so Nightingale 0515, I am going to leave my email in the description box. Congratulations, this is an amazing package that you just won, and just go ahead and email me with your actual name and your address, and the package is going to come directly from ASC Crafts. I am not the one mailing it. They are going to mail it out, since they were the sponsors, and they didn't want me to have to pay shipping, shipping twice, one from them and one from me. So they're going to go ahead and mail it out to you. Just please make sure you get me your information so that I could pass it on to them. And yeah, thank you everyone, and again, congratulations. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot guys. Let me show you again the package. There we go. There is the package guys. She won an amazing package. All right guys, talk to everyone later. Have a great day.